Are we good? Here we go. We're live. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. This is from Christy Chili's. It's called The Predictable Plan. Haven't heard anything about it, but you're going to love this. First off, I'd like to start at the finish, $7.05 as we're recording this right now. And let's go up here and show you what this is all about. You're going to love this. It's all about memberships. So she goes on about a bit about how this works. 3 memberships: RV travel, lifestyle, DFY, crafts and projects, and mental wellness. And this is recurring income. She's going to set you up the whole thing for each one of these. And they go blah, blah, blah about the 3 different things: evergreen demand and low startup cost. And then everything's there for the niche. Each of those 3 niches, all 3, $7.05 as we speak right now. And here's the part, this is the part that's going to blow you away right here. Here's 3 of our memberships so far over the past year with monthly recurring income. School Digital Club, $9,441.28. As an affiliate, Train Pet Dogs, 10 years, $4,000. Printables and Canva Video Pins Club, 10 years, $18,780.11. That's about $30,000, a little over $30,000. This is someone who knows how to do memberships, and you're getting all the information, not $30,000. Pull out $7.05 from your wallet. Tired of one-time sales? How about recurring income, stacks every month, 3 done-for-you membership blueprints? That's what this is. RV travel, DIY crafts, mental wellness. Bam, bam, bam. Stop starting from scratch. I'm going to cut it short here. The link is in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. When you get there, you'll see the product box. You can click that. You can scroll to the bottom and click the link at the bottom. It tells you a bit about the 3-in-1 membership bundle, how much she's making from which I've already talked about. The whole 9 yards is there, and you can grab it for $7.05. Let's see if I can scroll a little bit away from this. All the information, you'll be able to read all that. Here you go. The Predictable Plan memberships. There's 3. And away you go for $7.05. So click the link, go check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. The link will take you to my site at Marketing Sharks. This is called The Predictable Plan, 3 done-for-you blueprints for recurring income. Click the link in the video description and go check it out from Christy Chili's. You're going to make money from this. Enjoy.